One of the video backgrounds that people have given me a lot of good positive feedback on is a video of myself attending the meeting. I've played this at the beginning of meetings when waiting for the main presenter to show up to provide some entertainment and just kind of be funny the way you might be funny at the beginning of a meeting in person. So this is a great way to do it. How do you do it? Well, simply use the Zoom capability. Here I'm logged into my personal Zoom account, and I've got this little button here. That's a record button. So I'm just going to go ahead and press record. And when I do that, you'll see that I won't talk, but I'll pretend to attend that meeting so that the recording that I store in Zoom is just that, so I don't have to edit it. So I'll do that and stop the recording when I'm done. So hang in there, just watch me attend that meeting. So there you go. So now I've recorded this little snippet here that's going to be funny when you play it. So all you got to do is get out of your Zoom. Closing the Zoom here, end the meeting for all of them, and once it converts, you now have a file that you can easily add to your Zoom background. All I got to do next is simply go to my virtual background in Zoom, and you can see here this is the office that we used earlier to do the recording into Zoom. Now I use my personal Zoom account, so this is available to just about everyone. And all I need to do is go find this file, which was a video. So remember to look for it as a video. You can see it here. And now you can see the video of me behind myself here is going to be the default background when I go back into my meeting and I start sharing my camera. So here you want to be a little bit careful, maybe lean in a little forward to make sure that you hide the whole screen. Look at it and say, hey guys, doesn't seem like the presenter is here. I'm going to go get something in the kitchen for a second, but I don't want to leave you alone, so I'm just going to leave you with my own clone, okay? I'll be right back. And then you just quickly move out of frame, and everybody can start laughing because they can't believe you recorded yourself, and you come back in here and say, I'm just kidding, and then you go back to now a regular background that's more appropriate for your meeting. I hope this made you laugh and stay human and connected with your colleagues and friends. Talk to you soon.